Dear visitors, your safety is our priority. Please have your proof of vaccination or PCR test results ready before arriving to the ticket check.
Carbon fiber, and the whole thing weighs like a ton. I mean, this is amazing that it's so.
Wait, so it's light?
And it's so super light from you, but it's very strong. Haven't done checklists.
Oh.
But we've done all of them. Singapore, New Zealand, Spain.
Netherlands.
Yeah, the Netherlands is cool because they...
Singapore, yeah, that's really cool.
Oh, Singapore is totally green and...
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Because that's kind of how they do the city.
You can do in the afternoon, evening, and there's no lines.
Okay. So how big is it?
Huge.
It's like, it just stretches on.
Okay, yeah, let's look at
We've
this.
been here for 2 days. We've only seen like 55.
Oh, wow.
We walked from here to here, and that's what we've just done.
Okay.
So this place is just ginormous. So we're going over here to Japan.
Okay.
Okay, so that's got to be the UAE pavilion is that tent thing right there.
Okay. Those buggies.
Okay, so you're going to see these visitor centers are in each of the...
Yeah, so here's the cultural place.
Yeah, this is...
We'll do that a little bit later.
Okay.
I like these vehicles, the Expo Explorer.
So, yeah, these are free, I mean, stops where you can go down and go to a different place.
Okay, and they'll take your...
Are you sure it's free, Kepler?
Yeah.
Okay. We have not used one, so...
Okay.
There's Italy.
But you have to catch them or wait for them, so it's like we rather just walk.
Yeah.
Okay, at each of the modules in the park, there's these things which are the visitor centers, but there's also bathrooms.
Oh,
So
good.
this is the key. If you're looking for something, you're gonna find one of these.
Okay.
Yeah. And then downstairs they've got little like
Little shop.
shops for like if you want chips or something, something to snack on.
Okay.
And then they also have the place if you get hurt.
Okay. So first aid, and then where's like the drinking fountains for
And
water?
drinking fountains are all over the place. They look like traditional fountains. We'll show you when we see them.
Okay.
We haven't gone to Italy yet. These are all hand-woven ropes.
Whoa.
Outside of it. But we'll see what Japan's right around the corner. We'll see what the lines are like.
Yeah, everybody might be going there.
We have a restaurant, Italian.
Ooh. Ristorante.
So far, we have not been sad by the food of the different pavilions. It's a little pricey, but it's delicious.
Okay.
Yum.
And the cheap thing we did get was the chicken from Saudi Arabia, and it was actually pretty good. But it was just like fast food.
Yeah, I'd be interested in getting like little snacks from, like little finger foods from places.
That's what we basically done.
There's like that escalator. That's interesting.
Yeah. There are no lines in Italy.
Is it 10 yet?
Yes. 10:15. So let's go down. That's American, where the rocket is. That's
Ooh, okay. So we'll have to go see
Is
that.
the Israeli one pretty cool?
Better health for humanity.
It's right here underneath. It's like singing and people, and it's really fun.
What is it?
This is Israel.
Oh.
It's good. It's good.
So this part of the place is alphabetical. There's Israel, India, Japan, so
Okay.
I to J, Italy.
But it's not all alphabetical.
No, because and then you have Kazakhstan, but
Okay.
then the U.S. is right in the middle of it.
I wish it were.
Susie stuffed cookies or something. India.
This is so cool.
Okay, so this might be an hour wait, so we'll have to see what.
Smart.
90 minutes now.
Oh, really?
Or we can go back at night like we did before.
Yeah, I'm down to like.
Is it?
Maybe.
The line's only to there?
Oh no, so once you get through this line, you then go inside and then you have a little talk and they give you a phone that you use. And then, so it's about half an hour here and then it's about 20 minutes inside when we went. But the line was a lot shorter.
Yeah,
so if we go at nighttime, then you're not hanging out in the sunshine.
Okay,
I'm
can
down
we
to
book
do it
something?
a
Can we
little
book
later.
it?
No,
Okay.
that's the
This is the one
problem.
you can't book.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want to check out the SpaceX.
That's part of the US.
That's
Should we
US.
go US first?
I'm gonna go to Italy since we haven't been.
Okay.
Do Italy, then we'll
And
go.
since there's no line there.
Yeah.
Well, maybe the Eclipse Festival.
Yeah, they have all these like artists that come in.
Oh,
Nighttime.
The
cool.
Eclipse Festival would just be.
So are we gonna stay? We're staying all day, right?
Yeah, till 10.
Okay, good. Love it.
Then the music also starts at night.
Okay.
So we'll just be here all day.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And it's only 11. Good.
We have 12 hours.
I know. I'm so excited. This is
Just like
incredible.
a theme park, an educational theme park.
Yeah.
You know?
A theme park for travelers.
It's like a really cool kind of like almost like a museum, but like. I don't know how to
down there?
describe this.
This one?
Oh, yeah.
They're just walking.
Oh, maybe it's this one, Kepler. This is the lazy one.
Okay. Oh my.
There's no
We
way the other one.
have to go. Around.
It's right in front of us. We can't see it.
Oh yeah. There's Palestine.
This is the
Jerusalem.
one.
Okay. Emirates.